It saddens me to say this, but I'm gonna have to withdraw from the Plant a Herb Garden Challenge this year. I planted in a different soil than I normally use. I use Dollar Tree soil, strictly Dollar Tree soil, to plant my seeds in. It wasn't the way to go. I wonder why my seedlings haven't been growing, and now I know why. That soil was trash, straight trash. Called myself trying to save some coins. Well, coins I saved, but unfortunately, my plants suffered. The seeds germinated, so I know the seeds were good, viable seeds, but the soil didn't have any good nutrients. And it was too soon to fertilize because they were still babies. But little did I know, the Dollar Tree soil simply has no nutrients whatsoever in it. And after talking with some other gardeners in the community, they pretty much confirmed that Dollar Tree soil is not a good soil to grow in. Yes, use it as a filler, but not strictly to grow your plants in. I had no idea. All these years I've been gardening, I've never planted in Dollar Tree soil before, so I didn't know. Valuable lesson learned. I hate giving up, but in this case, I mean, there's really nothing I can do. If I started off with poor soil, I mean, what I did do is I went ahead and I poured some of my homemade compost tea into my planters here. And maybe it's just me, maybe it was just me being hopeful, but it did look like it did help some. And I think the seedlings were able to uptake some of those nutrients. But as far as the challenge goes, we have two more entries. What in the world was that? I saw something run by. Oh my God. Okay, I know this is not the Plant a Herb Garden thing, but oh my gosh. These jokers are huge. Wait a minute. Okay, yeah, so as I was filming, these two brown figures just came running by. But back to the Plant a Herb Garden Challenge. So we have two more entries for June. I'm just, I really don't have anything to show. Even with me feeding them more fertilizer, there's just not enough time for them to catch up, basically. Long story short. So I messed up using the wrong soil, and it is what it is. Again, I don't like giving up, but in this case, there's really nothing I can do. Better luck next year. So for those of you all who are still in it, good luck to you. I'm rooting for you. As for the OCD-ish chick, I am out. Yeah, but let me show you my plants. We've been growing for a little while now, and as you can see, my plants weren't doing anything. They're still little babies. This stuff should have been jumping off. I mean, some did better than others. Wasn't getting the nutrients it needed. So, yeah, I am going to keep you guys updated over the course of the spring and summer. So, they might do something later on, just as far as the challenge goes, yeah. Not happening. It's disappointing. I put a lot of work into it, but you know, life be lifing. The plants need what the plants need, and they did not get what they needed. I will not be purchasing another bag of Dollar Tree soil, that is for sure. So yeah, I saved a few coins, but yeah, I didn't get the results that I was hoping. All soil bags are not created equal. That's the lesson for today. Be kind to yourself as well as others. We are all going through something. See you next time. If you enjoy the content, please subscribe to the channel. Find something you love and have fun doing it. Thanks for watching.